So you want to make this desktop microphone concept easily? Let's learn this. First select the default cube, after that press 1 for front view. Now add cylinder with 100 vertices. Press R X 90 to rotate. Now scale down and reposition like this. Add boolean on cube and target the cylinder. Then apply. Now reposition it. Let's duplicate it and scale down. Now add boolean and target the cylinder and apply. Let's duplicate one more time and make it smaller and place right here. Now add boolean and target and apply. Now go to backside and insert faces like me. Then extrude in it. Now duplicate this and right click, press P to choose selection. Now select this and extrude. Let's add cylinder with 64 watts. Press R X 90 degree to rotate. Go into the edit mode and scale, then place right here. After this, add mirror modifier on X and Y axis. Now select this and boolean them. Now go into the edit mode and make changes like me. After all this, add cube and make changes like me. Now apply scale values. After this, bevel these edges. Now boolean this also. Let's make changes by inserting the faces. Extrude inside and assign inner area with dark material. Now add one more cube and place on top. Then move the upper face on Z-axis. After all this, let's add bevel modifier to these objects one by one. Keep in mind that the bevel amount should be the same in all. Let's insert this face and extrude. Select all and place right here. Let's add fabric texture to this. Add new material. Now split window like this and go to the shader editor. Now import your PBR texture by pressing Ctrl+Shift+T. Increase normal strength. Then go to the edit mode, select all, press U, then cube projection. Now assign this face with new material. Then import image texture. Press Ctrl+T, add diffuse and mix shader and connect like this. Now download the image from description and import. Now change repeat to clip. Now select the face and press U, then select project from view. Then go to the UV editor and adjust the scale like me. After all this, select this one and change color and some values. Also for this one. After all this, select this one and change color and some values. Now change material for this one. Let's add same material to both of them. After that, go to the render view, then change to cycles. Now add plane, then scale like me. Then add one more plane with emission material on it. And if you want to make your output look like this, then watch this 2-minute video of mine. If you want, you can add name or logo like we did earlier on the backside. And it's done. Hope you learned something new. Stay tuned, subscribe for more, and goodbye guys.